Dr. Roadmap, of course, and we're going to talk about Advanced Traveler Information Systems, which is the fancy word for GPS devices, navigational devices. They really do work. If you've got the money, invest in one. Studies show that they can reduce your risk of being late from 22% down to 8%. Again, if we're talking about beating minutes in traffic, every minute helps. I recommend them. Different types, of course, exist. There's in-car navigation tools, original equipment market. I also like the ones that you can buy aftermarket. You can put them in any car and help you out that way. They're transferable. You only need one. There's the OnStar devices, of course, that come with new cars. And lastly, there's some handy tools. This is the one I use. It's a real-time device that shows you traffic conditions on major metropolitan freeways. This one's a traffic gauge. You can find it at trafficgauge.com. But again, it can tell you at an instant glance which freeway is crowded and which isn't, so you can make a choice as you approach an interchange. These navigational tools definitely do help. I strongly recommend that you get one that uses real-time information, whether it's in your car or aftermarket. In other words, it's a subscription service, but it'll tell you when accidents show up, and some even provide alternate routes. Hard to beat. Barring that, if you have a laptop and it's web-enabled where you can just, it's wireless and you can pick it up while you're in your car. Naturally, while you're driving, you don't want to do this, but you can have a passenger check traffic conditions on the web. Some good websites throughout the nation include traffic.tan.net. Another one is traffic.com. Lastly, beatthetraffic.com. Any of those will show traffic conditions in real time for major cities. Then there's your cell phone. Some have web capability, and you can dial in these websites that way. And of course, lastly, the old reliable cell phone. You can dial 511 for information. Departments of Transportation in each state also have numbers you can call. In California, it's 1-800-427-ROAD. But all these tools will help you beat traffic. I strongly recommend them.